Tana Mongeau is getting dragged yet again, and this time is for her supposed comments surrounding a very sad event. 2018 just keeps getting rougher and rougher for Tana Mongeau. After getting flack for the outcome of TanaCon and then having people question her motives when she seemingly revealed that she and Mac Miller dated before his untimely death, Tana is once again under scrutiny for reportedly laughing at a very inappropriate joke about the Manchester terrorist attack. It all started when someone who had access to Tana's Finsta account shared a screenshot of an alleged text convo between Tana and Imari Stuart, and in the text convo, a photo was sent with the words, "22 people just died at my concert, oh my god, good night," streaks written across it. And then laughing texts and voice memos were exchanged between the two. Once this photo made the rounds, fans were livid, and needless to say, they took to Twitter to bash Tana for the alleged conversation. One fan wrote, "So did Tana just basically confirm that she joked about Manchester and is going to believe that it's okay because it was a mistake?" While another fan wrote, quote, "Tana Mongeau revealed private messages with Mac Miller after he passed, has now mocked the 22 victims of the Manchester bombing, and so much more. And y'all still support that? I supported her till this. So many people lost loved ones, and many are still suffering over that. Wow." As the backlash continued to grow louder and louder, Tana decided to speak out against the hate she was receiving. Tana explained on Twitter saying, quote, "So much of this isn't real, and I'm not in the headspace to clarify every little thing. I'm making a video about everything. However, I just want to let you all know I never laugh at something that's serious like that. Thank you to those who love me and don't assume what the media paints. We live in a canceled culture where everyone is always looking for a reason to cancel someone, especially someone like me who has a lot of hate to begin with. It was easy for someone to comfort me in a situation where I was already down and wrong as f***, and I accept that. Like I said before, if anything I said before about Mac upset anyone, I am so sorry, and it was the least of my intentions. However, I will not let people think I think anything related to the Ariana attack is funny. I love and support Ariana and am a huge stan of hers. This is breaking my heart. She has gone through hell and is the strongest person I've literally ever seen in the public eye." Tana went on to take responsibility for the Finsta account by saying that at one point it was her account, but was quick to say that many of those captions and posts were not her doing. Tana then ended her lengthy explanation with, quote, "I love Mac, I love Ariana, I love you all. I want to clarify this mess and let there be peace." What do you guys think? Do you believe Tana and think the screenshot was just a manipulated text conversation created to cause a bunch of drama? Let me know all your thoughts and feelings in the comment section below. When you're done with that, click right over here to watch another new video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Thanks for hanging with me. I'm your host, Drew Dorsey, and I'll see you next time.